Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our space where we explore the world of style together. Today, we're diving into a topic that I know many of you care about deeply: how to dress elegantly and confidently. Have you ever felt like your outfits just don't quite hit the mark? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm here to help you tackle those fashion worries head on. I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll walk away with some amazing tips that will elevate your style effortlessly. We're going to uncover some common style mistakes that elegant women avoid. And trust me, these insights are not just rules, but friendly reminders that can truly enhance your grace and sophistication. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's embark on this stylish journey together. And hey, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your biggest fashion challenge? Let's chat about it. Let's jump right into our first style mistake: floral maxi skirts with dated prints. While these skirts can be beautiful, they often break the clean, refined appearance that defines elegant style. When you wear overwhelming patterns or heavy ethnic motifs, it can disrupt the visual harmony of your outfit, making it feel chaotic rather than cohesive. So, what should you wear instead? Elegant women often opt for A-line cuts, high-waisted silhouettes, and skirts made from natural fabrics like linen. Imagine slipping into a solid colored skirt that flows gracefully, especially during warmer months. These pieces are not only easy to pair, but also effortlessly elevate your overall look. And if you love prints, choose simpler, more modern patterns that maintain a polished appearance. Remember, it's all about balance. By selecting skirts with subtle designs, you'll create a tasteful look that allows for personal expression without overwhelming the eye. What do you think? Have you ever struggled with this type of skirt? Share your thoughts below. Now, let's move on to our second style mistake: off shoulder tops. While these can be charming, not all designs are created equal. Some styles that sit too low or have heavy elastic bands can lose structure and fail to flatter your upper body. Instead of looking polished, they can visually widen your silhouette, which is something we want to avoid when aiming for elegance. So, what's the alternative? Elegant women typically choose well cut off shoulder or one shoulder pieces that maintain a graceful neckline. These styles work beautifully with both skirts and trousers. When paired with a skirt, they create a soft, feminine flow, while with trousers, they offer a clean and confident look. The key here is balance. Opt for tops that stay in place, gently highlight your collarbones, and steer clear of anything too oversized or overly decorative. Subtle details and thoughtful tailoring always win over loud and loose designs. Have you ever faced challenges with off shoulder tops? Let's discuss it in the comments. Next up, let's talk about waist tie dresses with elastic centers. While these dresses might seem cute, they've gradually lost their charm and often come across as outdated. Especially the ones with bold stripes or overly vibrant colors, they can easily give off a tired, overused vibe. Instead, let's consider a more elegant direction. Opt for sleeveless or strappy dresses that are fitted through the bodice and flow gently below the waist. This creates a more fluid and graceful silhouette that feels fresh and intentional. Think about dresses made from breathable materials like linen or cotton. They add lightness and ease to your overall appearance. With just one well-designed piece, you can achieve that effortlessly put-together look. Perfect for warm days without the need to overthink your outfit. Remember, simplicity can be incredibly chic. What's your favorite type of dress to wear? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's dive into our fourth style mistake: basic t-shirts with loud prints or muscle cuts. While these tees might be comfortable for lounging at home, they rarely contribute to an elegant appearance when worn outside. When paired with everyday outfits, they can make you look less refined and polished. So, what's the better option? Elegant women often choose fitted basic t-shirts made of high-quality cotton or clean tank tops that follow your natural shape. These pieces serve as a perfect canvas for your outfit. A classic crew neck tee in a neutral tone can effortlessly elevate your look, making it both casual and chic. Polo style shirts are another fantastic alternative, as they provide a structured collar and minimal design, striking the right balance between casual and put together. By making these simple adjustments, you can enhance your overall style without sacrificing comfort. Have you ever found yourself reaching for a t shirt that didn't quite work? Let's chat about your experiences in the comments. Let's move on to our fifth style mistake: poorly chosen prints. Not all prints are created equal. Overly cartoonish or harshly contrasted patterns can easily throw off the balance of your outfit and make it feel uncoordinated. Instead of creating visual interest, they often lead to confusion and distraction. So, what should you look for? Elegant women understand that prints should enhance their look, not overpower it. Choose softer tones and well organized patterns that flow seamlessly together. Fabrics that hold their shape without overwhelming the eye are key. A great strategy is to incorporate prints on a single piece within your outfit, like a blouse or a skirt, making sure it doesn't compete with other elements. This keeps your overall look clean and harmonious. Remember, the goal is to convey sophistication while still allowing for personal expression. Do you have a favorite print that you love to wear? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Now let's discuss our sixth style mistake: heeled loafers. While they might seem like a stylish compromise between comfort and elegance, they often miss the mark. Their chunky appearance can come off as dated or clunky, especially if the heel isn't well proportioned. So, what's a better option? Elegant women typically opt for suede or leather loafers that have a slimmer shape and subtle metal hardware. These choices create a more polished and cohesive look that complements your outfit beautifully. Consider pointed toe shoes or classic flats. They tend to feel more timeless and graceful than thick-heeled loafers. The right footwear should enhance your outfit, not compete with it. By selecting shoes that maintain a sleek profile, you'll elevate your overall style effortlessly. Have you ever struggled with finding the perfect pair of shoes to complete your look? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to find that perfect balance between comfort and elegance. Let's move on to our seventh style mistake: wearing skirts over pants. While this trend has made a comeback, it often disrupts proportions and adds visual confusion instead of clarity. Although both skirts and pants can be beautiful on their own, pairing them together can create a clash rather than a harmonious look. So, what can you do instead? Stick to wearing either a skirt or pants to maintain balance in your outfit. When you choose one piece, you allow it to shine and create a more streamlined silhouette. This approach also makes it easier to accessorize and complete your look without feeling overwhelmed. By simplifying your outfit choices, you'll not only feel more confident, but also appear effortlessly chic. Remember, the goal is to create a look that feels cohesive and polished. Have you ever tried this trend? What were your thoughts? Let's share our experiences in the comments below and inspire each other to find our best styles. Now let's talk about our eighth style mistake: overly zipper pocket bags. While these bags may be practical with their multiple compartments, they often give off a sporty or dated vibe that doesn't align with a polished look. Yes, they can be convenient, but they can also distract from the sleekness of your outfit. So, what should you consider instead? Opt for bags that have a cleaner outer design with fewer visible compartments. Minimalist bags not only look more elegant, but also keep your overall style streamlined. If you love staying organized, look for tote bags that have inner pockets to keep things tidy without compromising on style. By choosing a bag that complements your outfit, you'll enhance your appearance and maintain that refined aesthetic. Remember, a well-chosen accessory can elevate your entire look. What type of bags do you usually go for? I'd love to hear your favorites in the comments below. Let's share our thoughts and help each other find the perfect accessories. Let's wrap up with our ninth style mistake: overly layered necklaces. While stacking multiple necklaces might seem bold and trendy, it often results in a busy and overwhelming appearance that detracts from elegance. When too many chains tangle or crowd your neckline, it can pull attention away from the overall harmony of your outfit. So, what's the better approach? Focus on one key piece, like a statement necklace, and consider pairing it with just one or two simpler coordinating styles. This allows your jewelry to enhance your outfit rather than overpower it. For example, a sleek lariat necklace can add a touch of sophistication without being excessive. By simplifying your accessories, you'll create a more refined and intentional look. Remember, sometimes less is truly more. Do you have a favorite necklace that you love to wear? I'd be excited to hear about your go-to pieces in the comments below. Let's inspire each other with our personal style choices. Finally, let's discuss our 10th style mistake: wearing the wrong sunglasses for your face. Sunglasses are more than just a way to protect your eyes. They're a vital part of your style identity. Oversized lenses, odd colors, or overly trendy shapes can draw attention for all the wrong reasons and can clash with your overall look. So, how do you choose the right sunglasses? Elegant women take the time to find frames that harmonize with their features. Invest in a pair that flatters you from every angle. The right sunglasses can act like punctuation for your outfit, adding that perfect finishing touch with intention. When you wear sunglasses that complement your face shape, it not only enhances your style, but also boosts your confidence. What's your favorite pair of sunglasses? I'd love to hear your recommendations in the comments below. Let's share our thoughts and help each other find that perfect accessory to elevate our looks. Thank you so much for joining me on this stylish journey today. I hope you found these tips on avoiding common style mistakes truly valuable, and that you feel inspired to elevate your wardrobe with elegance and confidence. Remember, fashion is about expressing who you are, and it's all about finding what works best for you. As we wrap up, I encourage you to reflect on which of these style choices resonate with you the most. What changes will you make to enhance your personal style? Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let your friends know. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming soon, and remember to embrace your unique style every day. Until next time, take care of yourself and your style. Let's keep inspiring each other.